Postojna Cave is a subterranean marvel that transports you into a mysterious underground world of stalactites, stalagmites, and intricate limestone formations, sculpted over millions of years. As one of the largest cave systems in Europe, Postojna stretches over 24 kilometers, with a guided electric train ride taking visitors deep into its mesmerizing chambers, where the grandeur of nature's artistry is on full display. The cave's standout feature is the brilliant, a dazzling white stalagmite that has become its symbol of perfection. Adding to the intrigue, the cave is